Hello everyone! In this video, we will see how to brighten a video in CapCut on PC. Let's begin by opening CapCut on your computer. Once CapCut opens up, let's start by creating a new project. After the CapCut video editor interface opens, we'll need a video to begin the process. Navigate to the Media tab and click on Import. Select a video that you want to brighten and click Open. Once the video is imported, drag it onto the track at the bottom of the screen. Now let's play the video to preview it first. To brighten the video, you can access the adjustment settings from the top left menu bar or by clicking on the two little arrow icons at the top right corner to find Adjustment. Once you've found it, click on Adjustment. Now scroll down this tab. Under Lightness, you will find the Exposure setting. You can increase or decrease the brightness by sliding the line or inputting a specific value. You can also add keyframes to adjust brightness at specific points in the video. For example, add a keyframe, decrease brightness, then move to another point in the video and adjust the brightness level. Now, play the video. That's how you can brighten a video according to your needs. Once you add a keyframe, you don't need to repeatedly add them. Just set the timeline on the track and adjust the value, and the keyframe will automatically be added. And that's it. This is how you can brighten a video in CapCut on PC. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. We're eager to hear from you.